to go. I've had a few brief workouts, but I got a few hiccups, a few dings. Old injuries are, rearing their heads, and trying to figure out how to deal with them.
I reach out and grab that ball. Remember, you got there at any point in time. Just hit that.
Huh?
You don't hear that? Did you hear it over there? Didn't you? Sweep up. Okay. Step up.
Is that really your hip?
That's his hip.
Yeah, brother.
That's loud, dude.
But then hard.
Well, I mean, the arm's got to be dead.